I'm excited for this episode because para to sa mga ilaw ng tahanan and I will be hosting this one with our very own Nanay Isha. Welcome back!
Thank you, Bea! Nako, super exciting nga ito for my fellow mommies kasi we're gonna show some relatable situations ng mga moms and suggest tech gifts that can be helpful to solve those situations.
Precisely. So get ready for your next upgrade, your ultimate guide to upgrading your home into a smart one. I just want to ask, do you use smart home devices?
Yes, Bea.
Ooh, so ano yung mga experiences mo so far?
Actually, I have two boys. Nung kapapanganak ko pa lang, pagkakain ako, kailangan may maiiwan. But now, sa youngest ko, sobrang laking tulong ng CCTV. Kasi we use it, di ba, mostly for security. Pero naisip ko nung bagong panganak ako, tinabi ko siya, habang natutulog, nakakain ako. Habang natitignan ko, parang baby monitor na yung dating niya. So, dual.
I love it. Which is actually great kasi yung segue to that is yung activity natin today, we're gonna be showing you all of these scenarios wherein you can easily overcome it with smart home devices. So, are you ready?
Yes!
Let's
Ready!
do it. Okay, so let's talk about the mechanics of what we're gonna be doing today. First, the host will pick a scenario from a fishbowl and read it aloud. Number 2, ang gagawin natin, gagawa tayo ng skit of the chosen scenario where the suggested devices are revealed. And then we will discuss the scenario and why we chose that device as a gift. Are you ready?
Yes! Excited na ako. Mukhang mapapasabak ako sa aktingan nito, Bea. Supportahan niyo ako, Aries Loves.
Let's go! Let's see. Nanay na naubusan ng frames para sa mga family pictures niya.
Nakakatuwa naman yun.
I still remember growing up, sobrang dami naming photo album.
Sa sala? No?
Oo. Tapos, syempre, when you move, it also takes up a lot of space. And then eventually, when you grow older, parang it gathers dust na lang.
True. Tsaka nag-fade.
Oo, tama. Pero with this one, at least, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa living room mo. Tapos,
aesthetic.
Oo, bagay pa siya sa bahay and you can update it all the time.
True.
To all the sentimental moms out there who want to cherish their memories. Okay, game. Next. Nanay na na-lockout sa bahay dahil naiwan ang susi. Happened to me. Let's go! Sobrang game changer ang smart lock, I have to say.
Napaisip ako dyan kasi lagi ko nakakalimutan yung susi. Yung tipong, minsan nga naiihi na kami kasi pagka dating mo sa bahay yung biyahe, hala, wala pala sa bag ko yung susi.
Okay, that is, I believe, the worst nightmare of anyone. Not only as parents, pero anybody who owns a house, di ba? Tapos, ang dating option mo lang is, tatawag ka, kasi sirain nila.
Locksmith, oo.
Di ba? Oh, that's the worst.
Minsan nga wala pang locksmith, kayo na lang.
Oo.
Kung
And
sira.
then, sira na siya. So, smart locks, absolute game changer in my opinion. But this one I really, really want. Kasi marami siyang options. So, meron kang fingerprint, meron kang touchpad, meron kang RFID na card, tapos meron pa siyang facial recognition, and meron siyang app. So, pwede ka rin mag-lock and unlock remotely.
Nanay na nagmamadali sa umaga kasi papasok na ang mga bata sa school.
Nakarelate ka?
Yes. 101%.
Grabe, na-challenge ako doon.
True. Pero ako, relate ako to the highest level na relate.
Natatandaan ko nung bata ako, na parang school starts at 7, 7:30.
7.
Tapos I would have to wake up like 6:30 kasi malapit lang yung school ko.
Tapos ready na lahat.
Oo.
Ready na.
Tapos I took that for granted kasi hindi ko na-realize na parang gaano kaya katagal yung prep nun para lang pagising ko ready na lahat.
Mga 3 hours.
3?
Before. Pero dahil, yun nga, meron ng smart devices, perfect siya talaga yung air fryer. For us moms, pwede na tayong gumising ng mas late.
Yung na-appreciate ko rin dito is, yun na nga, hindi mo kailangan magbantay, di ba?
Totoo.
Meron kang peace of mind, at least.
Yes, kasi customizable na yung temperature niya, automatic na siyang nag-a-adjust, hindi ka na masusunugan talaga.
Grabe yung convenience ngayon.
Next is, nanay na hirap magbasa sa phone, kaya nilalakihan ang font. Nanay ko to.
Ako din, nanay ko din yun. Ako naman yung sobrang nakarelate dito.
True.
Yeah, kasi my parents are senior citizens na.
Oh, same tayo.
Oh, okay. And then, every time that they have a new device or a new phone, the first thing I need to do is to max out the font size.
Ire-request pa nila yan.
Oo, tapos ganun, di ba? Sobrang lapit ng ganun.
Okay, ganyan, ganyan.
We can't fault them for it kasi it's really hard for a small device ngayon. But the reason why sobra ako nakarelate din dito is because we just gifted my dad a tablet for his 70th birthday. So, mas practical talaga din siya.
Totoo, mas ma-enjoy nila. Like yung mom ko, mahilig siya manood ng mga teleserye. So, nagkaroon ako ng idea ngayon kung pwedeng i-gift ngayong Mother's Day. Talagang makikita niya yung mga bawat eksena, yung mga bawat sampalan dun sa teleserye pag tablet siya.
Yeah, at saka hindi din awkward yung malaking font sa tablet kasi at least bigger din yung screen size, di ba?
True. And kung mahilig magluto yung mga parents natin,
Right.
yung recipes, mas makikita nila. Pag nanood sila ng mga cooking videos, mas makikita nila ng maayos kasi mas malaki na yung screen. Thumbs up!
This was a really good one. Oh! Nanay na pagod nang maglinis ng bahay. Hindi ako
Present.
nanay pero pagod din ako maglinis ng bahay.
Ganyan kami sa bahay. Pero para talagang heaven sent nung dumating yung robot vacuum talaga, Bea. Tapos yung mga hard to reach areas, actually, hindi ka na yung magkukuha ng walis. Talagang pupunta siya. Tapos you can activate it dun sa zone na talagang pupuntahan niya. Have you tried it?
Yeah, I remember pa na sinasabihan ko yung parents ko na, Pa, let's get one. I finally got to convince them to do that. Nung kaya ko na, I gifted them yung robot vacuum na meron silang self-cleaning din siya. So, ayun, and ever since that I got to give my parents yung robot vacuum, I got to spend a little bit more time with them. Kasi it frees up more time.
Totoo, talagang worth it yung robot vacuum for me.
Grabe, that was so fun. I hope you guys found that fun as well and picked up a few ideas on how you can treat your moms on their special days. At mukhang sobrang na-internalize mo yung pagiging mom, ah.
Siyempre, Bea, as a mom myself, na-experience ko rin most of these scenarios. So, helpful din talaga sa akin yung mga smart devices. And to honor moms this Women's Month at sa darating na Mother's Day, it's great to give them smart devices that make their lives easier.
Yes. And you can choose what device best suits your mom's or wife's needs. So, prioritize nyo na lang muna. And most of these naman ay budget-friendly and you can always find them online.
Yes, and aside from being functional, us moms also appreciate anything that can make us happy. Yung nakakabawas lang din sa stress namin, Bea. Katulad nung tablet, okay na ako doon, mapanood ko lang yung favorite dramas ko, ganyan, or music.
Yes, I totally agree, Nanay Isha. Because I know, seeing my mom rin, it's really a demanding role that requires multitasking and efficiency. So, these smart devices, such a game changer in making it so much more convenient and so much more easy.
Totoo. Kaya I hope nakatulong talaga ito for you neighbors and Airs loves. Until the next upgrade episode, see you next Sunday. Bye!